video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to display maximum salary on the table. So this is the employee table that I'm using, and here this is the salary columns. So I want to display only highest salary on this column. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to create one new table, and this place going to give meaningful name max underscore salary. After that, let's use here summarize function. So I already discussed about the summarize function. So it accept the parameter. First you need to give here table name, then group by, and or you, if you don't want, then you know, group by is not essential, and here name and expression. And this is a small definition about the summarize. So it creates summary the input table group on the specified columns. So first here we need to give table name. So this is essential table name that's giving employees, and here so new column that should be create the name here giving maximum salary, and thereafter separate with the comma, thereafter write here max aggregate function, and this place right here employees and giving go salary. Okay, so this is the query to get maximum salary on the or table employees. So if I press enter, okay, choose max salary is already there, so writing here maximum, press enter. Now you can see 25,000 is the maximum salary. So let's check on the table. So this is the table, and here displaying on the descending order. So now you can see if I press descending order, then here highest to lowest. So 24,000 is the highest, second is 70,000, next is 40,000, like this, that continue on. Okay, so this is how we can get here maximum salary on the table, and we can achieve here summarize function, or you can also operate different function also. With some different function you can also get the same output. So this I think is too simple. First you need to give here the table name, then here give double quote, so that whatever the double quote that you give, so this here create the column name, and here using max salary, so max aggregate function, so this return maximum on the salary columns, and if I write here mean, then if I press okay, then here you can get minimum salary like this. If you want, then you can display here average salary also. So 6462 that's come there. For max salary you need to use here aggregate function max. So this is how we can achieve highest salary on the table. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.